High in the Norwegian mountains, ancient ice is retreating, unveiling secrets hidden for millennia. As the world warms, these frozen landscapes shrink, revealing fragments of lost stories, evidence of how humans once survived in these harsh climes. The melting ice is both a revelation and a threat, exposing delicate artifacts to the elements for the first time in centuries. Sunlight now beats down on the Aurlandsfjellet plateau, water carving new paths through once permanent ice. Suddenly, something appears, wood shaped by human hands, not just a branch but a crafted object. This is the start of an extraordinary discovery, a portal to a world 1,500 years past. The ice is returning, a lost chapter of human ingenuity and our deep connection with nature. For generations, these mountains kept their secrets buried under snow and ice, each layer a page in a frozen book. Now, as the climate shifts, that book is opening. The Aurlandsfjellet find is a profound archaeological moment, reminding us the past is never truly gone. What emerges is not just artifacts, but evidence of organized communities and their deep understanding of the animal world. The reindeer, central to their existence, is at the heart of this story. And here, from the ice, comes proof of a grand hunting strategy, etched into the very mountain itself. This incredible find began not in a lab, but with a hiker's sharp eye. In autumn 2024, Helge Titland noticed rows of dark wooden posts emerging from melting snow on the Aurlandsfjellet plateau. These weathered posts were clearly shaped and placed with purpose. Sensing their significance, Titland alerted authorities, setting off a chain of events that would captivate archaeologists. Experts from Vestland County Council and the University Museum of Bergen arrived and confirmed the magnitude of the discovery. What they found was not just a few posts, but the edge of a massive, complex structure sealed by ice for centuries. By autumn 2025, accelerated melt revealed the structure in full. A sophisticated reindeer trapping system from the mid-6th century CE. Hundreds of wooden logs and posts formed long, converging fences, Europe's first major wooden trapping system to emerge from the ice. This was a physical echo of ancient legends, a ghost from a forgotten time. The site was a complete scene, a snapshot of a coordinated hunt 1,500 years ago. Thanks to a hiker's curiosity and a warming climate, the mountain finally shared its greatest secret. The world was about to learn just how advanced these ancient hunters truly were. The Aurlandsfjellet system's genius lies in its simplicity and deep understanding of animal behavior. Two long fences, built from hundreds of posts, stretched across the plateau, not tall, but perfectly placed to guide reindeer. The fences started wide and converged, funneling herds into a narrowing channel. At the end, a large circular enclosure, the final destination for the panicked herd. Once inside, escape was impossible. Hunters could efficiently and safely carry out the kill. This method allowed for the capture of dozens, even hundreds, of animals in a single, coordinated drive. Building such a structure required immense communal effort, felling trees, shaping posts, and transporting them up the mountain. The hunt itself was a highly coordinated event, with scouts tracking herds and drivers steering them toward the trap. This was mass hunting on an industrial scale, a testament to teamwork and planning. The Iron Age Norwegians were not just hunters, they were expert animal psychologists, using reindeer instincts to their advantage. The melting ice revealed not just the trap, but the tools and remnants of the hunt. Archaeologists found hundreds of reindeer antlers with cut marks, evidence of mass processing for meat, hides, and antler tools. Iron spearheads and arrow fragments, perfectly preserved, told of the hunt's final moments. Mysterious carved wooden paddles found far from water hint at unknown rituals or practical uses. Personal items, like a finely crafted antler dress pin, offer glimpses into individual lives and identities. These artifacts bridge the centuries, reminding us these were real people with skills, pride, and stories. The site's extraordinary preservation is thanks to ice, a natural time capsule. In the 6th century, colder climates sealed the trap and artifacts beneath snow and ice, protecting them from decay. Cryopreservation allowed wood, leather, and even textiles to survive for 500 years. Unlike typical sites, here we see not just stone and metal, but the full world of wood, fiber, and hide. The artifacts are almost exactly as they were the day they were lost, offering unmatched detail for scientific study. This preservation gives us a direct, vivid connection to the Iron Age. The ice has been the perfect custodian, holding these stories in trust until we could finally understand them. It's a rare, clear window into a vanished world. The Aurlandsfjellet discovery offers a vivid glimpse into Iron Age Norway before the Viking Age. Reindeer were vital, providing food, clothing, tools, and trade goods. These high mountain hunts were seasonal, demanding, and central to community survival. The trap's scale confirms ancient legends of mass reindeer hunts now proven fact. Such hunts were economic cornerstones, with surplus traded for grain, iron, or luxury goods. The trap is more than technology. It's a symbol of power, wealth, and sophisticated social organization. These people were masters of their environment, shaping their world with ingenuity and cooperation. Their legacy is written in wood, antler, and the enduring stories of the mountains. The Aurlandsfjellet trap's discovery is a direct result of modern global warming. As Norway's ancient ice patches melt, they reveal artifacts unseen for 1,500 years. But this is a double-edged sword. Exposure means rapid decay, and artifacts can vanish in just a few seasons. Archaeologists now race against time, searching melting ice edges for signs of human activity. Many sites may be lost before they're even found. The irony is stark. Our modern world's climate impact is revealing the secrets of our ancestors, even as it threatens to erase them. These discoveries teach us about adaptation and resilience, but also warn of the consequences of environmental change. The window to save this heritage is closing fast. Every artifact recovered is a victory against time. The past is emerging just as its future, and ours hangs in the balance. We must act now or risk losing these stories forever. The Aurlandsfjellet discovery is more than an archaeological marvel. It's a lesson from our ancestors. It reveals their ingenuity, resilience, and deep connection to nature. The site is now protected under Norway's Cultural Heritage Act, and every artifact is carefully conserved for future generations. Each object, a decorated paddle, an antler pin, the great trap itself, tells a story of survival, artistry, and community. By preserving these finds, we honor the complexity and achievements of those who came before us. The melting ice reminds us the past is never far away. Sometimes it's just beneath our feet. We are called to explore, document, and protect these fleeting glimpses into our ancient world. In understanding where we come from, we find guidance for the path ahead.